Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create an AVD testing device in Android Studio. Many beginners find it difficult to create a virtual device without running into errors, so this is a friendly and easy guide that anyone can follow. Please watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, launch Android Studio. If you already have an existing project, you can open it. If you don't have one, simply create a new project. Once the project finishes building, look at the left side and click on Device Manager. As you can see, I currently have no virtual devices available. To create one, click on the plus icon, then select Create Virtual Device. Now you'll see a list of device models. Scroll down, select Pixel 3 and click Next. Next, under API level, select API 30, Android 11.0. Here you can give your virtual device any name you like. I'll name mine All PC Geek. Under Services, choose Android Open Source Project. Now click Download to start downloading the required system image, or click Finish if it's already available. This process may take some time, depending on your internet speed. What's happening here is Android Studio is downloading the Android system image, which allows the virtual device to behave like a real Android phone for testing apps. Once the download is complete, Android Studio will automatically configure the virtual device for you. Now, as you can see, my Android virtual device is ready. With this virtual device, you can run and test Android apps, debug your code, test different screen sizes, Android versions, and app behaviors, all without needing a physical Android phone. It's very useful for developers, especially beginners, and that's how you can easily create an Android virtual device in Android Studio without errors. Using an AVD helps you test your apps safely, quickly, and efficiently during development. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to All PC Geek, and share it with others who are learning Android development. If you face any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.